Have you ever washed your hands in an RV sink? What's the matter? Did Dad walk out without you?
Good job! I did it! Look at what you just did! Did you enjoy that? Yeah, good. Come here. Come here.
It's like, do they have cake donuts? Because Matt loves cake donuts, and they do. So
You making fun of me for being a Gemini?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I found an emperor's new groove.
An Emperor's New Groove. I love Emperor's New Groove.
He's crawling onto my clay mat. I think he wanted to do some clay art.
what do you have, Aves?
Okay, so I made a little lab puppy on a little bed. It took me an hour and a half to make. I even did like a little tag on the collar and like a little face on the bottom. It's kind of hard to see. And I did dog food. I put a paw print on the bed. And the bone, I put the tail on there for...
That's well done. Have you ever washed your hands in an RV sink? Can you demonstrate how bad it is?
Well, yeah, I mean, when the water's on, you can barely get your hands under the water to wash your hands. So, we are going to replace that faucet with this one.
This is an upgrade that we both said was
obviously
necessary.
Should allow the water to come more towards the middle of the sink. Should be easier, and it bends out of the way. So we're going to try and put this one in. So underneath the sink down here in the cabinet, you'll see your two water lines that hook up right here, and there's these twist nuts that go on. So once you loosen remove your two water hoses off of here, and you loosen these off, the faucet should pop out of the countertop. I still have to shut off the water, so I'm going to go do that before I unhook my water lines. Then I'll come back and replace the faucet.
What's the matter? Did Dad walk out without you? Jesse. I told you he'd be right back.
Come back in. She's a baby.
She is a baby.
Okay. So I've got the water off outside. I turn this on. Let all the water pressure out. We should be good to go. So I'm going to reach under here and unscrew the two water lines off the old faucet.
Is this pretty much just the same as you would do at home?
This is actually easier than even at home,
Okay.
in my opinion. Set a rag under there, just dripping a little bit. And then once the water line drops, loosen the faucet down. Lift the old faucet out. Those are the old plastic nuts there.
Wait, take a Clorox wipe, clean that up.
Here's the new one. I'm going to use the new nuts and the new washers. They're probably the same as the old ones, but okay, set the new one here. Already looks better.
Mm-hmm.
Just put these on. Just have to reattach the water lines. Make sure you get the blue one on the right. All the water has been dripped. And I'm actually going to just tighten these one more time with the rag in my hand. I can grip onto it a little bit better. Make sure those connections are tight.
Good morning.
I'll go turn on the water, and you can look underneath and yell at me if you see water dripping.
Okay.
If there is, I'll shut the water back off.
Your dog's gonna cry again.
Any drips?
Nope. Looking good. You have the honor of actually washing your hands with a real faucet.
Okay, and then I'll come back here and just double check. Make sure there's no water dripping down. Feels all dry to me. But I'll check it again for the next couple days. You really don't want water dripping that you don't know about. It can cause a lot of damage. So I'll check that periodically for the next couple days to make sure there's no water under there. But that's it. It's in. Good to go.
Oh, woohoo! Thanks, bud.
A few hours later.
I think it's like right up here that the trail starts.
You filming?
Yeah.
Hi.
She looks like she's going to Disney World.
Yeah, Avery's confused about where we're at.
No.
She heard walking and she's like, oh, Disney World. Cool.
That's where the trips normally walk.
Yeah.
That is where the trips normally walk.
Those are our hiking trails.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, look at the stream. Are we sure this is the way to go?
No. That's what I'm trying to figure out right now.
Usually the parking is near the trailhead.
I know. Trying to find this trailhead. Can't find it. Don't know where it is. There we go. It was hidden.
It's right down here, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Come on, Jess. We're not here to see the sign. She's all expecting it.
I have Clueless playing on my phone, and I have my earbud in
Mm-hmm.
because I like listening to movies
Nice.
when I'm doing walks and stuff.
Walking sticks. You want to borrow one?
Yeah.
I call this one.
Here's an Averie size one.
I don't know
You
if
want
this
one,
is what they're
Nicole?
for, but
No, I'm okay.
She's kind of heavy.
I'll trade you.
Oh, I'll use this one.
Let me get a picture of you guys.
Are you
Jesse,
not
go with them.
taking that one? Jesse, come on.
That is. There's a frog.
There's a frog.
I said, look at that log.
Let's go this way.
I'm not going that way. You guys can.
The trick here is just go down sideways.
Here's your walking stick.
All the way up on top of the Oh, you almost had it.
Good job, guys.
Made it.
Oh, you're doing great. Be careful. Here, you want me to help you
Good
up?
job, guys.
That was easy.
You did it.
Good job.
You can take a break right there.
Don't brag, Averie. but I'm glad that was easy for you.
Kori, good job.
I did it.
Look at what you just did. You did that.
I didn't even see this part until I was like, I was on.
You chose the harder part.
I did. It was fun. I fell.
Avery, Kori, what does this log make you think of? I am the log.
I am the log. I am the ravine. I am scared.
Trip Beverly Hills.
Trip Beverly Hills.
It's like hollowed out.
It's our hike for the day through Washington. Nope, sorry, we're not in Washington, we're in Oregon. On or near Mount Hood. I think we're still in Mount Hood. Jesse loves hiking. I'm about to go over this bridge up here too.
Our old dog Sadie would freak out. Or she wouldn't even go over them. That would be scary her. Jesse doesn't. Sorry, there was a mosquito.
There's Averie and Jesse.
I realized something.
What?
Dad told Averie, be careful, don't trip her grandpa bones. That's what we call her. She breaks every bone so easily.
Yeah, so don't trip Graham Cracker Bones, right?
Yeah, but he never told that to me. And I tripped.
Oh, Kor.
He didn't think he would have to. It's fine. Like, graham cracker bones don't trip. I tripped.
You tripped.
And I'm not graham cracker bones. Thankfully. Thank you for.
Come here. My goodness.
Did you enjoy that? Yeah, good job.
Come here. Come here. Look.
Nope.
A few hours later.
After our hike today, we had burgers and french fries for dinner made on the Blackstone. Now we're all just kind of chilling. Jesse's laying in the dirt because she's not dirty enough already. Kori's doing some knitting. Crocheting, excuse me. Averie's working on her clay creations. I just cleaned up the Blackstone. Tink's in her pen. And Matt's doing a flush on the tanks. On the black tanks and stuff. The girls' bathroom keeps getting a smell, and so I think he's just trying to get it cleaned out a little bit better or figure out what's going on. Why are you doing a flush?
Oh, just because we have full hookups and we haven't in a while.
Okay. So, that's fine.
Okay. There's a silkworm right here. Just moving around. Hi, bud. I can't even feel him. He's waving at the camera. He's crawling onto my clay mat. I think he wanted to do some clay art. I'm making a raccoon. It's turning out a little monkey right now, but it'll look better when it's done. This is just the head. Look at the little dude.
The next day.
Well, I'm getting donuts. We passed a donut shop in
Sandy, Oregon, which is kind of close to where we're staying. We passed it yesterday and Matt was like, do they have cake donuts? Because Matt loves cake donuts, and they do. So I came early this morning to get donuts from Joe's Donut Shop. Yay! They had cake donuts and maple bars, which are my favorite. Now typically he likes white frosting for his cake donuts or pink frosting, but this is chocolate. So we'll see. Cora, what are you doing? What do you got going there? You making fun of me for being a Gemini?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I found an Emperor's New Groove.
An Emperor's New Groove? I love Emperor's New Groove.
Yeah. Gemini. When they're talking, it's Crockett. When they're listening, it's Yzma.
Oh my goodness. I'm going to make some steak on the smoker, and I do what's called a reverse sear. So I'm going to smoke the steaks for a little bit, and then after they're all nice and smoked, I'm going to come on over here to our Blackstone and I'll sear it. I'm going to get it nice and hot. Right now, I have potatoes, and I'm going to do smashed Yukon Gold potatoes. You found another one for me?
Yeah, and it's Stranger Things.
And it's Stranger Things. What's this one say? She's our friend and she's crazy. Hey now.
It's true.
Geminis are crazy.
Yeah, you are.
Quite crazy. Good to know. So I'm really enjoying my little smoker. Matt got this blanket for it to help it stay at temperature. I think that is helping, but it's a good little smoker. So I'll show you kind of what I got going inside. So we have a couple of fillets and a couple of flat irons? No, what are these?
Fillets and center cut sirloins.
Center cut sirloins for the girls. We get the fillets and the girls get the sirloins. And I just use some Montreal steak seasoning just to season them all up. Partially because I have it and I want to use it up, and partially because it's really good. And I season all the sides, and then I let it rest for a little bit after I've seasoned it before I take it out to the smoker. So while my smoker's getting up to temp, these beauties are going to rest. Alright. I've got the 4 steaks in there, looking good. Got my meat thermometer in there. Got this set on 250, so it's going around there. It's a little hot right now, it'll cool down. Where's Jessie? Let's go check these potatoes. Thanks for the hug, Aves.
Yeah.
Did you steal my water?
No. You said it.
This is my funny setup. So we have a built-in griddle and holder and everything, but we're kind of on a ledge. Avery, we're kind of on an edge. And I am 6 feet tall, and this is still very tall. So
Can I make pancakes tomorrow for dinner?
yes.
Yay. I was gonna make them tonight, but then Dad wanted steak, so Mom's making steak. But I'm gonna make pancakes on here tomorrow. Don't touch that, it's hot.
Good advice. These are just getting soft, and then I'll smash them.